got a chick.
Oh my goodness.
And it goes well, it goes well. Two more are going to score.
Excuse me, he checked his swing and just another base hit, 2 more ribbies. He has 5 on the night.
Got a chick.
Check swing, base hit. Span's going to score. Hernandez is being waved in. He scored.
Me a jiggle, got a chick.
That rolls down the third base line. It's fair, and he's safe. And that is the wackiest first.
Second, Bizarra first, and
Got a chick.
delivers. Check swing roller second base. Beckham on top of it, but nobody home at first, and everybody is safe.
Got a chick.
Base hit into right field. Souza up, runner coming to the plate. Here's the throw, not in time. A 2 RB.
I mean, in the lights.
Me a jiggle, got a
Tapper, that'll bring a run in. Barehand play by Arenado off the bag, and everybody's safe.
got a chick.
Up shallow center. Cabrera's out and it falls. And they throw back to second. Now the ball rolls away. A run scores and full goes to third.
Got a chick.
A check swing. That's a fair ball past first base. 2 runs will score, and Betts slides safely into second base. And it
Got a chick.
base hit into center field. Wong will score. Carpenter on his way to third. And excuse me, RB.
Got a chick.
He didn't mean to do that, but he's going to get himself a hit.
Get the clutch hit.
Got a chick.
There's the clutch hit. How about that? High net him. Will round first and stay there.
That's clutch getting out of the way of the ball inside.